Good morning, people, lawn care community, Canadian lawn care community. As you can see behind me, I've got a whole bunch of products out, and yeah, they're all liquids. Haven't you been waiting for that? Because I certainly have. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what they all are and a little bit about the company. So let's get started. Hope you guys enjoy. And just so I'm being completely transparent, yes, they did send me these products. They're not paying me to say anything I'm saying, but I did get the products for free. They sent them to me to test out and show you guys what they're all about. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because you guys are going to be getting a deal, a discount code, and yeah, so you guys can get these products for a little bit cheaper, and I'll explain a little bit more about that at the end of the video. So let's get started with these products and the company. Now, a brief history on the company and the products. So Omix, which was founded by two brothers, that's not the name, but they are two brothers, have been distributing the Omix products to golf courses throughout Canada since 2016. And come 2021, those brothers founded the Growforge company, and that is to supply homeowners with those products that they use on the golf courses. And that's why I'm so excited about it, because I already know that it's been tested and proven that they work. If golf courses use them, yeah, I'm going to use it on my golf course. Now, let's just get into the products. I'm going to show you what they have available, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope it spikes your interest because I can't wait. Yes, they're all liquids, every one of them. Let's get started. So that's why none of you guys have heard about Growforge, because they were just established at the beginning of this year. So no, you wouldn't have heard of them. How could you? That's what I'm here to do. I'm going to get these products out there. I think people should be using these because of the versatility of them. You try and spoon feed with a Scott's granular, you know, it goes everywhere, but you're not getting coverage evenly over everything. With these, you can do that. It's very customizable, and with 7 products available right now, you guys are going to have a much nicer lawn, I promise you. Oh yeah, and you don't have to pay an arm and a leg to afford these. They're actually very, very affordable compared to what we've probably been importing from the United States. Come to liquid irons and stuff like that, because $106 gets you 1 gallon. That's the cheapest I found from the United States. That is a 2.5 gallon jug, and it comes in at $90. So one by one, let's go through these products. Let's see what they're offering. This is a TPA concentrate. Now I'm going to read off the general information off of each one. TPA is a liquid additive intended to be used with liquid starter fertilizer. It works as a wetting agent designed to help soil hold moisture, nutrients, and keep turf lush and green. Works up to 90 days in the soil. Not bad. So there's your wetting agent that you can put down at any time. Doesn't have to be with starter fertilizer. That's the first one. This is a 1 liter pouch. So the next product I'm going to show you is a K25 green line. 0025 is the analysis on it. Again, here's the general information. I'm just reading it right off of the package. Greenline 25 is a blend of potassium hydroxide and potassium acetate that offers a slower uptake than potassium chloride fertilizers. It is typically used, you guys might like this, on greens, tees, and other high quality turf areas for a targeted K nutrition. Not so bad because, well, fairway, putting green, yeah, I'll definitely be using this one. Now, the next product that I'm holding is called Organohume. Just going to read off the label now. Organohume is a liquid formulation of extracted humate. Organohume is combined with existing soil applied liquid or granular fertilizer formulations to improve phosphorus uptake, soil CEC, and the overall health of the plants. Organohume will greatly influence the overall fertility of the soil, promotes plant growth and root development, which results in improved plant health and production. I'm liking the sounds of every single one of these. I don't know about you, but I'm liking how customizable this stuff is so far. Okay, so the fourth product that I'm going to show you is called Sequestrical 9.5 CA. Now again, just going to read off the general information right on the package. Sequestri Cal is a 9.5% fully chelated and highly available source of calcium. This chelation technology ensures an efficient absorption of calcium by plant roots, leaves, and other tissues and guarantees a wide compatibility. It is ideal for tank mixing with phosphate and sulfate forms of nutrients and is seed and plant safe even at high dosages. So I'm liking that if you overdo what it says on the package for the rates, etc., if you overdo it a little bit, you're probably going to be all right. So I like that it has some forgiveness to it. Okay, so product number 5. I'm already liking the sounds of this one. It is a starter. So it's called TNT Starter Fertilizer with an analysis of 932.2. So again, just going to read the general information on the package. TNT Starter is a seed-friendly, soil-applied phosphorus-based fertilizer that is placed in furrow to provide pop-up nutrition to the germinating crop. Only minor amounts of nutrients applied to the soil are absorbed by plants. TNT Starter treatment therefore supplies only a portion of the nutrients required for successful plant production. TNT Starter will improve early season availability and uptake of phosphorus, improve root and shoot development, and crop establishment. That sounds pretty convincing. I like the way they worded it, and I'm already liking the sounds of this product. I'm definitely going to be using this on the fairway. Now, I know you guys are thinking, backwoods, what are those 2 big jugs behind you? I know I put a teaser out on Instagram the other day. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should probably follow me on Instagram because I always put out a teaser on there before my stuff reaches YouTube. So, just one quick note. These jugs, they make them stackable. What an awesome feature, and how smart is that? Stackable so you can just keep going. Nice, saving floor space. Let's get started with this product. So this is the Balance Line 14514. So as I've been doing, I'm just going to read it right off the label. Balance Line 14514 provides a balanced source of nutrition, complete with essential micronutrients the plant requires to reach optimum health and appearance. It is an excellent, high-quality, balanced product used for general maintenance on greens, tees, and other high-quality turf areas. Applications of Balance Line 14514 will help maintain excellent color without the excessive growth associated with high rates of nitrogen. Amen to that. I'm just tired of getting things that are like a 32N. It's too much. It's too early in the morning for this. Proprietary chelating method keeps micronutrients free in the soil and available to the plant. I'm sorry, it's too early in the morning and that word just fumbles. It baffles me. But that's what it is, and I'm really looking forward to using this one consistently for spoon feeding and full doses of fertilizing everything in my yard. Okay, so for the last product, certainly not least, because these two are going to get used a lot, is you guys wanted a liquid iron that doesn't cost you a fortune. Here you go. So this product is called Straight Line, and like I've been doing, I'm just going to read the general information off the side of the jug. Straight Line 2000 plus 6% Fe provides iron and manganese for the synthesis of chlorophyll, thus providing the dark green, healthy appearance desired on quality turf and ornamentals. Applications of Straight Line 1200 plus 6% Fe will help maintain excellent color without the excessive growth associated with high rates of nitrogen. Again, amen to that, and thank you. For use on all turf and ornamentals to treat and prevent iron manganese chlorosis. Application should be made to actively growing turf and ornamentals, preferably during periods of high humidity, early morning and late afternoon. Avoid spraying during periods of severe stress, such as drought and high temperatures. Do not water for at least 8 hours after application for optimal results. That's awesome. And yes, I did use this stuff on the front lawn as soon as I got it. Actually, I got it on Thursday and I applied this on Friday. So I'm going to show you those results right now, and then I'm going to get into the discount deals with the discount code right after that. So thanks for sticking around this long. Those are the products from Growforge. I am over the top excited and more than happy to share it with you, along with some other things that a lot of people wouldn't do, but I'm Canadian and I'm gonna do it. Let me show you the front lawn, tell you about the deals. All right, so this is the front lawn, and this is about 36 hours after my application. So it hasn't even peaked yet, but it's looking good. It's a nice dark green color, and what do you know, no excessive growth from putting down a Scott's 32 or 28.2, whatever it is. No one even cares anymore. Forget Scott's. Growforge. I'm loving the products, easy to apply. So I just want to show you this. It's how it's looking after 36 hours. You can see from here to back there, the color difference. 36 hours later, not so bad. I know. Let's get into the deals. Now first, let me start by saying thank you for getting this far into the video. And yeah, thank you for doing that. So here's where you guys are gonna benefit from that. So what I'm doing is, yes, I have kind of teamed up with them and with Growforge, and I am not making any money off of this. I promise you that. I could have, but me being the Canadian that I am, is I actually, instead of taking the money for myself, I'm letting you guys get the deal. So you guys are gonna get 10% off of your purchases, not just one time, not twice, but for 1 month, you guys are gonna get 10% off any purchase you make from Growforge. Now tell me that's not the Canadian thing to do. Instead of me making money, you guys just get it for 1 month. No limit, nothing like that. You guys can just order. If you need to wait a week or two, you can order something else, and it's still gonna be 10% off. And you're gonna be using discount code Backwoods10. I'll leave it on the screen right here and down in the description. So I hope you guys appreciate that. I've been working extremely hard to get products like this in Canada and available to us, and it just so happens the one we got are golf course grade quality. So 10% off for a month, 1 month. Now, if you guys have any questions about any of these products, I know I personally haven't used them all myself. I haven't had time, but we're going into fall and you guys are getting your products going, so maybe it's time for you guys to order these products. Get them while you can, because I mean 1 month is a long time. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I will be using these products from now on, probably forever, because why would I go anywhere else? And honest to God, guys, the prices for quality products like this are absolutely amazing. They're amazing. There's no comparison to any of the other ones. I don't even need to mention names. You guys know who they are, right? So Growforge, thank you for helping me out. I hope I can help you out, and going forward, I hope you guys enjoy the products as much as I will. So if you have any questions about any of these products, any questions at all about the company, anything, I will definitely answer them to the best of my knowledge. Leave them down in the comments. You guys know where to go. Leave a like on the video and maybe thank me if you guys are going to order these products. And yeah, like I said, 1 month of 10% off. Unlimited purchases, 1 month, 10% off. That's what Backwoods does for you, because you guys have given me so much. I'm not at 500 subscribers yet. Hopefully I will be soon, but this is a thank you, because I know I'll get there with all of your guys' help. So with that, this has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one. You'll just have to wait to see what I'm doing. It's the fairway. I'm going to be doing the fairway.